Today I will backtest one of the best paid indicators on TradingView platform and see if it makes money. This indicator is called the Lux Algo, and in order to get access to it you have to purchase a monthly subscription. I will backtest it 100 times with an initial account size set at $1,000 with 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. The creator of this tool claims that it works on all time frames and all markets. I'm going to do my backtesting on a price of gold 5-minute chart, and now let's go ahead and add our indicator. So we're going to head over to invite only scripts and pick this indicator right here. Okay, so in this video I'm only going to test 2 strategies with this indicator, and for our first strategy we need to go into our settings and make some adjustments. So first we're going to need to enable these 2 options. Now we're going to need to go into our style section and remove these exit buy and sell signals. We will also get rid of this box. Okay, now our strategy is ready. Let's get into our trading rules. Okay, we can only enter a long position if we have a new strong or buy signal issued by our indicator. And the second confirmation would be to have these 2 lines colored in green, just like we see right here. And as soon as we have these 2 conditions met, we're going to go ahead and place a buy order at the close of our trigger candlestick, and we will set a stop loss at the recent swing low. We will set a take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. Exactly opposite is true for short trades, so we can only enter a short position if we have a new sell or a strong sell signal issued by our indicator. And for the second confirmation we will need to have these 2 lines colored in red. We see here we've got all our conditions met, and this is going to be our trigger candlestick. So we will go ahead and place a sell order at the close of this candlestick. We will set a stop loss at the recent swing high, and we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Okay, let me now give you a couple more examples. So here we see we've got a strong sell signal issued by our indicator, and both of the lines are red color. So this would be a valid signal for us to take a short position. Alright, we see the price easily triggers our take profit target. This buy signal was not confirmed because the lines were still being colored in red. This sell signal was also not valid. Alright, so here we see we've got a strong bullish signal, and this signal is confirmed. If the distance between your entry price and the recent lowest price is significant, you can place your stop loss at one of these lines. Okay, we see this trade turned out to be successful as well. This sell signal was not confirmed because our second line was still being colored in green. This strong bullish signal is confirmed. And we see this indicator has been working really well so far. This sell signal wasn't confirmed. This buy signal was also not valid. So we see the idea behind this indicator is not just to get us into the trend at the best possible price, but to eliminate losses as well. Alright, so here we see we've got a new valid sell entry. Okay, so now we know exactly how to trade with this strategy, so let's actually backtest it 100 times and see how well it performs in different market conditions. Okay, so after 100 tests, we see the results are pretty average. Our win rate is only 47% and we increased our account size by 37.51%. By no means I'm saying the results are bad, I just don't feel like it's worth paying $70 per month for this indicator. I mean, you can get way better results just by using free strategies I've already showed you on this channel. We see the equity curve does not look consistent, we did have some serious drawdowns here and there. Our profit factor is only 1.33 and we had 7 consecutive wins against 8 consecutive losses. And we also have a feedback from our Trader Edge backtesting app that says your win streaks were smaller than your losing streaks, so be careful. But again, this is only one way of using this indicator. There are multiple ways how you can use it, so let's actually do another backtesting and see if the results are any better. For that, we're going to need to disable these 2 lines because I feel like they're preventing us from taking really nice trades. Okay, let's double click on our indicator and disable these 2 options. For our second strategy, we will also need to add an exit signal to our chart. So let's enable these exit signals back. Okay, now let's get into our trading rules. So the entry rules will pretty much stay the same. We will only enter a long position if we have a buy or a strong buy signal issued by our indicator. And as soon as we have this signal, we will go ahead and place a buy order. We will set our stop loss at the recent swing low. And if the price goes in our favor and we have a profitable trade, we will close the position as soon as we have an exit signal appeared on our chart. Okay, let me now show you an example. Okay, we see this trade is running in profit and we just got a blue cross appeared above the price. So this would be a valid signal for us to exit this trade. We will also exit a winning long trade if we have a new short signal issued by our indicator. Exactly opposite is true for shorts, so we're only going to be looking to sell if we have a new sell or strong sell signal issued by our indicator. And as soon as we have it, we will go ahead and place a sell order. We will set our stop loss at the recent swing high. And again, if the trade is running in profit, we will close the position as soon as we have an exit signal issued by our indicator. Alright, we see this trade is running in profit and we just got a valid exit signal. We will also close a winning short trade if we have a new buy or strong buy signals. Okay, let me now give you a couple more examples. So here we see we've got a strong buy signal. So we will go ahead and place a buy order. We will set our stop loss at the recent swing low. Okay, we see we've got an exit signal. So here we've got a new sell signal. We see we cannot close the position just yet because we're running in loss. Okay, so this is where we can close that trade. We also got a new buy signal. Okay, here we've got a sell signal. We see, unfortunately, we got stopped out. Okay, let's enter another short trade. And this is where we have a valid exit signal. Okay, I hope you understand the rules, so let's actually do another backtesting and see if the results are any different. Okay, so after 100 tests, we see the win rate hasn't changed at all, which is quite disappointing, and we actually made less profits with the strategy. The equity curve looks all over the place, so yeah, this strategy is definitely not reliable. Our profit factor is 1.22, and we had 4 consecutive wins against 7 consecutive losses. So overall, I would say this strategy is pretty lame. I think these buy and sell signals are not accurate enough. Of course, you can use this indicator in some different ways, so let's actually double click on it and enable these top 2 options. So we see now the chart looks extremely cool. Is it effective though? I don't know. We should definitely figure that out. But I'm gonna do that in my next videos, so stay tuned for that. I've also got another 2 premium looks indicators to backtest, so that's gonna be quite interesting. Okay traders, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, it really helps with the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then feel free to subscribe to TradeIQ.